We can use a shortcut here for all the alpha, just solve using this, and now it will solve. There was some problem. Let's visualize what is it. So this is alpha water and this is alpha sludge is causing some problem. This alpha air. Alpha sludge is 0 everywhere. That's what we wanted. Let's not use this inlet for now and use this as 0 gradient just to check. And then here in the set field dict we can have another box which is sitting just at the top of this. It starts from this, from -0.2 to say 0.1. This is the sludge and there is no inlet. And now let's again do blockMesh and then set field and again run. Let me clean everything and then run. Looks like still there is some problem. Let's again see, we did a mistake here. So here this should be water. Water, sludge, air, velocity. There is something coming from here still, so that is not okay. That means we have set something wrong here in the sludge. This is 0 in water, this is 0, and in air this is 1, 0, 0. This is fine. In the pressure this should be fixed plus pressure and velocity. Okay, here this was a problem. Here we can set this to no slip. Let's see the solver that was used before. I found the problem. Since there was diffusion as well, therefore we cannot use this MULES-based solver directly. We have to use this one. This solver itself will take care of the MULES-based algorithm part. Therefore, now if we run this now, it should not cause any problem.